I think in some ways, some of the most interesting tool work that's going on right now,
Yeah.
and this is also something that I should have said that's different about the upshot earlier, is I think we're integrating words, not in a fancy design way, but just like, here's a paragraph, here's a chart, here's a paragraph, here's a chart. And so like the stuff that came out a couple weeks ago, I think from, I'm going to say it wrong, Bestiario, or whatever, like the quadrigram maybe is called.
Yeah.
That idea that like, we're really just using expository tools. And so you should be able to write your paragraph and dump your chart inside of it, and then write your next paragraph and make a chart. And it shouldn't be like a bunch of switching, or, it shouldn't feel aggressively different. I think those kind of tools are interesting. I know someone in Jeff Heer's group at the University of Washington who's working on more kind of Google Doc style creation of charts. So some of that like collaborative stuff, like not sort of like GitHub, tag team kind of merge conflict that will fix it. Like sort of, but real, like, more kind of Google Docs. So like the barriers are a little lower and it feels a little bit more collaborative. Like that stuff I think is also like interesting in the tool space.
Yeah, that's true. And Quadrigram, I found that really interesting too, because it offers simple charts, but it has this idea of there's a document, and the document consists of a mixture or a sequence of simple blocks, right? And this is something I think we all now learn to appreciate with all the mobile devices and, and all these different consumption situations. And we used to do these huge monolithic, super detailed blocks, that are super integrated, which is nice too, like a double spread print page or something. But now we have to think more about how can we chop it up into sequences of little blocks. And